Have you no moral fiber? Give it up for Rolf, everybody! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna give you such a thrashing! Rolf is too strong for his own good. Sweat! I'm starting to sweat! Mess with the rest, now the best will make a mess! Oh dear, oh dear! Watch this, Rolf!